Alright, I'm back again. It's been about another 90 minutes and I don't know if you can tell on my screen or not, but it is snowing quite heavily at this point. Visibilities are heavily reduced. It's just pouring out of the north right now. The winds are blowing the stuff all over the place. It's the only reason that the grass is still there, visible, because it's just been coming down extremely hard. Someone driving down the road. Not me. Saturn's gonna stay parked probably through tomorrow night, honestly. I have no need to get out in this stuff. I can always just have my boy JD DoorDash me some food in his pick 'em up truck. I'm up underneath an eave right now, so I'm not in the full force of this snow. See if I can step down here and stick the camera out into it. Looking right into the wind now. It's a bad time. Okay. I don't know, I'd have to guess close to 2 inches already. Again, it's really hard to get a good measurement when it's blowing around like this, but I'll get a measurement at some point. But with that, this concludes update number 3. I'm gonna go back inside and warm up and hopefully find some thunder snow heading my way. I'll catch you on the next one. If I can hit the stop button with these gloves on, it's very difficult.